So I've got whole wheat waffles for 4 points, chicken with nothing on it for 0, some sugar-free syrup, a banana and water, so that is 4. I'm not going to use near all that syrup, so 4 points. So here's my lunch. I'm starting with the salad. It is like an Asian salad. It's half a cup. I'm giving myself, I want to say 1 point I think I gave myself for this because it does have a couple of those little bread things in it, and there's a sliver or 2 of almonds. And then I'm having this healthy choice, Simply Steamers chicken, broccoli, and Alfredo. This is 3 points. And then I have a tiny little Jell-O with fruit in it for 0 points. So it's 3, 4, maybe 5, depending on how many I gave myself for that. And that is my lunch. So I've already taken a couple of bites of this actually, and it's really quite good, as was the salad, so I'm pretty happy with today's lunch. So good afternoon, YouTube. Trying to adjust you a little. It is Monday again. It is the 12th of March, I believe. It is 43 degrees outside, which I gotta tell you, I don't believe for 1 second it's 43 degrees outside, because it is cold. Cold. I'm feeling cold to like my joints and my bones and my insides, and it worries me because I often think that when I start to feel that way, I'm getting sick. And I don't want to get sick, so I'm hoping that I'm not. The last couple of days, Norm and I have been talking about the fact that we have felt like sick was coming, but it never actually came. So we get like the tingles in here and like lightheaded and not feeling real well. And then it would kind of just go away. And Carly was real sick Friday, and she was better Saturday and then fine on Sunday, but just the stomach bug, which is totally going around. About 4 kids in my class have this stomach bug, and I gotta tell you, I hate to throw up. Like, I don't know if I think I would rather, like, so, I don't know if anybody else does this, but I think I would rather throw up than have a sore throat, but I hate to throw up. And I do this weird thing where when I'm sick, I say to myself, you don't appreciate all the times that you're not sick when you are sick. So I'm appreciating not being sick right now. So this weekend was a little bit of a nothing weekend because, like I said, Carly was sick, so she didn't go to the firehouse. We meal prepped yesterday, but we meal prepped for too long, in my opinion. It was one of those days where it just took us too long. But we played with some 2-ingredient dough, which is why it took us a long time. We made some pretzels, and we made some what we call stuffed pretzels, which when you go to the Amish market, that you can buy stuffed pretzels. So we played with that a little bit. They were pretty good. So we'll probably make them again. But it was fun to kind of play around with those a little bit. And I'll try to remember to insert a picture so you can see them. But they're not pretty, I gotta tell you. The first couple definitely were not pretty. So this weekend I weighed in. I lost 1.5 pounds. So I was happy with that. I believe it was 171.0, I think, or 172.0. I don't remember, but I lost 1.5 pounds. So I was happy with that. Got on the scale this morning. I was up 1 pound, but you know, just data. Yesterday I did have some dough from having the 2-ingredient dough. I probably had too much. I didn't track yesterday as well as I should have. I tried, but I really just didn't do as well as I should have because, you know, you're meal prepping all day, so you kind of pick at stuff. But that is all I ate. I didn't have like a meal or anything yesterday. So today, I'll show you my food. I did pretty well. And, you know, it's not over yet. I have 14 points going into dinner. My problem is I, right now, in about 2 seconds, have to stop and get gas. And I am, again, craving something. I want something for the ride home. And there is a convenience store attached to the gas station. And I'm probably going to go in. And I want to make a good choice. And I want to get something to drink, because I've been drinking lemonade all day. Not really lemonade, but Mio that's lemon flavored, and it feels a little, I don't know, like, you know, when you get that lemony feeling in your throat, it feels a little bit like that. So I really want something to kind of quench that a little bit. And I know I'm not getting water, because I just don't want water. I don't like water. So I'm gonna go in and get something to drink. I'm thinking I'm gonna get some gum, and hopefully I'm going to keep my resolve, and I'm not going to get any type of junk at all. So in a couple of minutes after I get some gas here, I am going to show you what I get, if I get anything at all. I'll be right back. All right, guys, so it's like 2 seconds, right? I went in, and I intended to get sugar-free gum, and I'm going to tell you, it is the second time in probably a month where I have walked in somewhere with the intention to get sugar-free gum, and gum, tons of gum, but no sugar-free gum. And unless it's like sugar-free, like mint, and I don't like minty gum. I like fruity gum. So nothing. So I got to drink, I got this peach nectarine sparkling ice, which is 0 points. So I'm going to drink that. See? And then I got a Quest bar. I got a oatmeal chocolate chip flavored Quest bar. But I also remembered that my dinner tonight is basically 0 points. It's zoodles with chicken. Actually, I guess my dinner's about 2 points. It's zoodles with chicken and like a cheese sauce. The Laughing Cow cheeses. But I used, for the whole pot of chicken and broccoli and vegetables, I used 4 pieces of the Laughing Cow, and then I put my little tiny serving into one. And so I'll probably spend a couple more points. I'll probably add some cheese to that. They're all having pasta, I'm having zoodles, so we should be good. I'm gonna go ahead and eat this Quest bar because I'm feeling noshy and I need something to quell that. So I will talk to you guys soon.